Hey guys and welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you top 3 Excel tricks that you will like. I want you to watch this video till the end. Let's go. Number 1. Did you know that Excel has a secret camera feature? If not, let's see. Click on quick access and then in here click on more commands, and in this part click on all commands. In here scroll down and find camera. Here it is. Click on add and click on OK. You can see that this is the Excel camera feature, and in here if you want to take a photo of each part that you want, I'm gonna select this part, click on camera. Let's see the other, and in here you can paste it. This is the screenshot and you can have it in each part that you want. And look at this one. If you change anything in this one, like I'm gonna change this 20 to 100. Let's see the other, and it changed to 100. Number 2. If you were numbered the cells like this and drag down, doing like this. But I'm gonna show you a way that you can number the cells from 1 to 1000. Just press Alt-H-I-F-S and in here type to 1000. Click on columns and click on OK. You can see that it numbers from 1 to 1000. Number 3. If you have a database and you want to delete all the cells or the row like this, click on delete. There is a way that I can show you that you can delete these empty cells just by one click. Select this part that it have some empty cells and then press Ctrl+G, click on a special, click on blanks and click on OK. And in this part, click on Ctrl+-. It'll delete all of them automatically. And thanks for watching. I want you guys to visit my channel. Support me for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Good luck.